Hello guys, nice to see you watching my channel. Anyway, I'm Oandasan. I will share you some tips on how did I make my blog. There are some reasons why you want to create a blog. You want to create your own channel simply because you love to share interesting topics to the viewers. You love video editing and uploading, or you want to create a career to be a blogger maybe. Well, these are some of tips on how I did my own blog. The tips are from a very famous blogger named Miss Perkins. First, choose a topic for your channel. In this topic, you need to know what are the topics that most people interested with. Make sure that this can be used all the time and can be useful. Second, who will watch your videos and why they want it? You need to check who will be your viewers are and make sure that they will like and subscribe your channel. Try to analyze why they gonna love your channel. It seems to be interesting for them that that's the reason why they want it, okay? And then third, brainstorm 100 videos ideas. These ideas doesn't mean that you need to create 100 videos immediately. What I mean is you need to put in your mind 100 possible videos ideas that will make you decide later on the top 5 best ideas. If you have a lot of ideas, you can narrow down later on like maybe 5, yeah? I am sure you can make good blog. And then fourth, what equipment you need to use. Well, as a beginner, it is not necessary to buy expensive equipment. The most important is you are clear in the video. You can start using your phone. And then fifth, make a video filming. To make your channel, you need to film and upload videos. I do understand that as a beginner, it is so hard to film and upload because you are trying to decide what is your topic to film. Make sure that it must be consistent. I do recommend to have it every week so that you can upload every week. Sixth, you need to create your YouTube channel. In creating a channel, you need to create a Gmail account first. If you have Gmail account, you can automatically go to YouTube and create a channel. Seventh, make a feature video and write your channel description. Through this, your channel look professional. You can show that you are serious in this channel, that make all the viewers interested every single videos you uploaded. And then 8, film your first video. It would be so hard to do this because it is your first time, but promise you can use to in the future when you decided to be a blogger. 9th, edit your video and create a thumbnail. There are a lot of softwares that you can use in editing your video and thumbnails. Some are using Adobe Premiere, Video Editor, or whatsoever. Whatever you want to use in editing, it doesn't matter. The most important there is you can present your video in a nice way. You can make your own thumbnail also to attract viewers. You can use an Adobe, Photoshop maybe, or whatever software you want to use as long as it looks good for you. Believe me, you can make your viewers believe that it is good. Alright, so let's proceed to number 10th tip. Upload the first video in YouTube. Woohoo! At last you can upload the video now. Make sure that you can create a title and description in it to make it so interesting video. 11th, like, comment, and share. Yahoo! You can start liking, commenting, and sharing. Don't forget to do this because it is your own video. You need to make yourself first to like it, so the other will like it too. Share in your Facebook, Twitter, Friendster, or whatever social medias you have. In this case, your friends will try to watch it, and there will be possibilities that they will share with their friends too. You can gain more subscribers and viewers. Alright, so let's go to the last tip. 12 is be consistent. When you are planning to gain more subscribers, you need to be consistent. You must be always interested in it. You need to keep uploading and improving your quality. The more quality videos you have, the more subscribers you can get. Okay guys, so those are the tips that I can give you right now. So far, I am also beginner, but I want you to share the ideas that I get from one of the blogger, Miss Jillian Perkins, that made me influence how to make a blog. I have still more than 200 subscribers, but I am trying my best to grow my subscribers. So are you ready to be one of my subscribers? Then click subscribe and like my video. You are free to comment and give some feedback for me to improve. Once again, I am Miss Jane Oandasan. I hope to see you watching my videos. I will keep on uploading. See you!